more than 40 years, Bob's Machine has committed to investing in its customers, its community, and its country. Today, that commitment is stronger than ever.
Over the last few years, the boating industry has more than doubled. Everyone wants to be out on the water nowadays, and so Bob's, as a leader in jack plate technology and outboard accessories, we've had to increase our production capabilities, and we're going through the latest automation upgrades in the industry. We want to make sure that we're maintaining or increasing our quality across the board.
To meet that demand, Bob's Machine has stepped up production and development with cutting-edge technologies. Automation that keeps working 24/7. Improved production time, and increased precision and quality. All developed and manufactured in America.
We want every product we manufacture to be the best across the board. That's why we've invested in American machinery and American manufacturers.
With more than 50% more employees on staff in the last 2 years, Bob's Machine continues to grow their business and their community.
Hey, I'm Major League Fishing Pro Bobby Lane, and I'm standing here at Bob's Machine Shop today. I have trusted their products since day one, from prop nuts, deck plugs, most importantly, my jack plate. The reason I trust Bob's Machine Shop is because it's all made right here in the USA.
Bob's Machine, investing in America.